In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a Tesco gift card online and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, if you visit the Tesco gift cards website at tescogiftcards.com, you will be able to browse and purchase Tesco e-gift cards, also known as Tesco electronic gift cards. However, as of today, is it possible to redeem and completely use these Tesco e-gift cards online? As you might be aware, you are going to make the payment online to acquire these, and the recipient that you are sending them to will get an email or notification allowing them to use a barcode that needs to be scanned physically or presented on a phone to also be scanned in store to pay. Now, you might be wondering, like I said, if it is possible to make this payment online. For example, they use the gift card through the mobile app. Sadly, as it stands today, if you try to send a recipient a Tesco e-gift card and they redeem it if they wish to use it online on the Tesco app or the Tesco website, it is impossible to do so. As it stands today, the barcode that the recipient receives needs to be attached to a digital wallet or printed to be scanned in store. It seems like they do not give users the option to redeem the Tesco gift card online, so if you want purchases to be delivered, you cannot use your Tesco e-gift card when you proceed to checkout. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that according to the official Tesco e-gift cards website, on the Help and Frequently Asked Questions section, they clearly state that it is impossible to redeem these gift cards online. They need to be used in store alongside the barcode that the recipient is acquiring. If this video cleared up any questions that you had about how to use the Tesco gift card online, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.